This video was brought to you by Stormberg, ABRP planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Yo, what's up? We are now at Nebbenes supercharger and fast charger. Here we have the superchargers. And here we have the fast chargers. So they've been there for the longest time. You guys probably recognize this. This is, what is this, FSEC or ABB? There's so many stickers there. No, this is ABB. This is ABB charger. This is the FSEC charger, tritium. You see, in bad shape. The rubber thing is, it's about to fall off. It's supposed to have some rub. What? That one? What? This one is also kaput, semi-kaput. It's supposed to have something like this to hold it in place. But you recognize these. These have been existing for the longest time. So you see the display here, okay. We are charging at, well, I don't know how fast we're charging. For 1 minute, I have no idea how fast I'm charging. You have to be a ninja to figure out that. And not only that, but we only have, this is more traditional design. You see, we have one charger for each car that can charge. There is no distribution of power or anything smart like that. So let's say, well, what about inside the car? Well, oh yeah. What about this lovely, wait, what is this? This is ID3 Sport. Yeah, huh? Do you like it? ID3 Sport with a new red color. Well, actually, is it new? I'm not sure. But it's just Pro here. It doesn't say Sport anywhere. Wait, does it? It must be Sport back here. No? 9? Nicht Sport? Huh? It says Volkswagen here. Okay, there is nothing in here that says Sport except for the sporty seats from just the same one you have in the GTX. But okay, hang on. I was about to show you something here. Yeah, online. Go. You see how fast are we charging? I have no idea. It says 173 kilometers per hour, but I want to know how many kilowatt we're charging at. So yes, but there is something better on the other side. I'll show you. Oh yeah, by the way. So you see, how come the fast charger, they are just out here in the open? And the same here. Well, there's a shed for the chargers, but if it's raining, if it's snowing, you're just stuck outside here in the weather. But over there at the gas station, there is roof over the pumps. Why? So let's see. We're gonna check out now. Did you know that on the other side we have some new chargers? We are now at Shell, just on the other side of the highway. You see, we were just over there. That's the west side. No, wait, that's the east side. Finally, the west side has caught up. Nebbenes west. Yes, you want to go west? Look here. You can see all the schmutz, the dinosaur juice on here. Pro tip: when you're walking towards a gas station, always walk in the middle. Between. Don't walk over there. You don't want to step on that shit. Also, that one. It's just schmutz. It's diesel. So you want to walk here in the middle. This is just the moisture, I think, but that's the nasty stuff. Look at this, oil and shit. But see what they did here? Oh, I shouldn't step on this. Okay, you see what they did here? They have removed gas pumps. And maybe it's easier to see on this side. Oh shit, this is like a freaking maze here of stuff you don't want to step on. Look, okay, look. Huh? There used to be gas pumps here, but Shell, they removed it. And they put fast chargers here instead, 2 of them. I wonder if you can see that. No, they clean. It seems like they cleaned it up. Yeah, that's good. Look, oh yeah, I like this. You can you can actually see the traces. You see, it used to be some signs up there. They removed it because I guess you don't need to have repower. So here we have, I don't know if you guys recognize this. This is the Kempower chargers. And even if I can't see the speed inside the car, look here. Huh? I'm charging at 32 kilowatt. Yeah. And not only that, but you have this QR code. Just bring out your phone and then you scan the QR code. Okay, go to Kempower site. Loading, 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 loading. Look, you can bring this with you. Huh? And you can also click here to see the charging curve. So even if the car doesn't support, well, you can also do it here if you want. You see, here you can see the number of amps and volt, and yeah, the peak power. We peaked at 34 kilowatt. This is the future. Kempower. Yeah, and the Recharge is a company using the Kempower hardware. So by the way, the top of this one is not garbage bin. I've seen some people that put garbage on top there. No, don't do that. Would you put it? What I was to say, put it on the, wait, Shell, I think you guys have a little work to do here. You have to put stuff here. We need garbage bins, and all the stuff that you have there, we also need it here. We have plenty of space here, but at least over here, you see, you can grab this one, clean your windscreen. If you need gloves, you have it. Well, you have napkin here, all the stuff that you need, and it's on the roof. And I should also show you that over here we have more chargers. Well, these are just, actually, technically the chargers are not here. These are just charger stalls, just like Tesla, for example. They have done this for 8 years. Tesla's been doing this for 8 years now. But here are the actual chargers. Some of you guys haven't seen this before, but I talk as if you have never seen it before, because many people are new viewers in my channel. So this charger, wow, it's so noisy over here today, sorry. But this charger stack here is actually, it's large enough to fit 600 kilowatts of charging power chargers. But right now it's configured for 400 kilowatt. So you have 400 kilowatt that can be dynamically distributed. Each module is around 20 kilowatt, if I remember correctly. So see, each of these stalls, they are marked as 150 kilowatt. So if you do a quick math, 150 kilowatt times, we have 4 here, 6, that's 900 kilowatt. What happens if 6 e-trons comes here? Well, and then you won't get 150 kilowatt each, but statistically you don't need that much power. So for now, 400 kilowatt is usually enough to supply enough cars. So I like this. I like this a lot. And also, you know, usually I would, on weekends, I would avoid that side because we only have 50 kilowatt fast chargers. 4 of them, plus another high power charger that's been kaput for a while, but it's probably working now. But over here, you have better chargers. You have also Nebbenes crew on that side. There's another Nebbenes, and you have the gas station. So I don't know what you guys think, but I love this. And also, it's not only over here. Yeah, I forgot to mention. Shell, they also put up a brand new station at Klett. So, you know, I used to go to Klett, Ioniq, they have Klett there, of Circle K. But Shell, today is just, we're just, the airplanes are flying right over us. But anyway, at Klett, there's a brand new gas station, Shell. And over there, they also put some stalls under the roof. These are brand new. And also they have plenty of stalls. So my friend Håkon sent me some pictures. So thank you very much, Håkon. I don't have time to go there personally, but you can see what it looks like. And that is also a good alternative if you drive a non-Tesla and you want to charge fast at Klett and you don't want to use, or you don't, for some reason you don't want to use Ioniq, you can go over there. So I really like this. Yes, now that guy, okay. Kempower for the win. Oh, let's see how fast we're charging. Oh, you know what? I was about to check it out how fast we're charging. We don't have to, we can just check here. 33 kilowatt. Where are we are we charging faster now? Let's see if I click on this one. Yeah, we're charging at 34. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Huh? I wonder. Okay, I talked to Kempower about this. They just don't know really. Because I asked them, why did Shell remove these gas pumps? They don't know the answer really, but probably they figured out that these 6 pumps are good enough to supply most people. Maybe they put up 8 pumps in the beginning, but they figured out that there's no need for 8 pumps, so they just removed 2 of them. So this is great. You know what's going to happen in the future? In the future, there will be lots of charging stations under here. All of these will be charging stations only for electric cars. And then the gas pump, the weird gas pump that few cars need, will be placed in that corner or over there somewhere. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen in future. Haters gonna hate. But okay, anyway, a little report from here. I like it. You know, I don't know about you, but I'm a little bit fed up with the old chargers. They haven't changed the design for the last 10 years. The other chargers on the other side there is not much information about what's going on, how fast you're charging, how fast you were charging at the fastest. No cool features like that. But the Kempower here is more dynamic, more scalable. They could even put up more stalls if they need to. They can increase the capacity on the charger stack. And also, I forgot to mention also, these chargers, or these charger, but these ones, you see the design. There's a spring there, so it's spring loaded, and you can actually pull it quite far. And at least unless you're really clumsy, but normally this one won't drop on the ground. So way better design, and at least for now it seems to stick there. It doesn't fall down like I shown in the earlier previously. So I really like the design, and you know, you guys are the consumers. You can try to convince other companies to get Kempower. So the reason why I promote Kempower is because I actually believe in them. I have been living with the other shittier, sorry ABB and FSEC and yeah, Tritium, but I've been using those shittier chargers, and like I said, they have not developed anything or made the user experience better for the past 10 years. But suddenly Kempower is out here and they're making way better chargers. So the consumers, they are the ones using these. You know, not the Recharge, not B or Clever, or so they're not using it. The consumers are using this. So that's why I asked the consumers, do you guys want more Kempower? Because I heard that Kempower is coming more and more throughout Europe, slowly. Yeah. So anyway, I think I'm gonna go back now. Just had to wait for the wonderful ID.3 Sport to charge up. Wait, did they make these spots larger? You see, makes sense. You want to make them larger in case you don't have, in case you can't plug it in, like this one. This car has the charge port on the right side, which is the wrong side. It should have the charge port on the left side, which is the right side. But I can still park within the lines, unlike in the previous spots. Yeah. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna stop now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.